Understanding GSTR 10 for GST filing. GSTR 10 is a final return that must be filed by taxpayers whose GST registration has been cancelled or surrendered under the Goods and Services Tax (GST) regime in India. Key features of GSTR 10. 1. For cancellation or surrendered registrations. GSTR 10 is specifically for taxpayers whose GST registration has been cancelled or surrendered voluntarily. It is a final return that taxpayers file to close their GST registration. 2. Single filing requirement. Taxpayers are required to file GSTR 10 only once, upon the cancellation or surrender of their GST registration. 3. Final declaration. GSTR 10 requires taxpayers to provide a final declaration of their stock held on the date of cancellation or surrender of registration, along with details of liabilities and assets. 4. Details of outstanding liabilities. Taxpayers must declare any outstanding tax liabilities, if applicable, including tax payable on stock held, and make payment accordingly. 5. Input tax credit, ITC, adjustment. Taxpayers are allowed to adjust any remaining input tax credit, ITC, against their liabilities before finalizing the return. 6. Verification and declaration. Taxpayers verify the correctness of the details provided in GSTR 10 and make a declaration regarding the accuracy of the information furnished. Key sections in GSTR 10. Part A. Basic details such as GSTIN, legal name, and trade name, if any, of the taxpayer. Part B. Details of the stock held by the taxpayer on the date of cancellation or surrender of registration. Part C. Details of outstanding tax liabilities, if any, including tax payable on stock held. Part D. Details of input tax credit, ITC, availed and adjusted against liabilities. Part E. Verification and declaration by the taxpayer regarding the correctness of the information provided. Benefits of GSTR 10. Closure of GST registration. GSTR 10 facilitates the closure of GST registration for taxpayers whose registration has been cancelled or surrendered. Final declaration provides taxpayers with an opportunity to make a final declaration of their stock and liabilities before closing their registration. Compliance requirement helps taxpayers fulfill their compliance obligations under GST by filing a final return upon cancellation or surrender of registration.